Welcome to Spring 44. We're excited to share our story with you and provide an overview of our compelling spirits portfolio. In the next few minutes, we'll introduce you to our spring and the natural wilderness botanical garden it feeds, our bees and the perfect honey they produce, and we'll discuss the vision and mission of our company in supporting a harmonious lifestyle.
Spring 44 was founded when two lifelong friends, Russ Wall and Jeff Lindauer, were drinking the water from their spring at midnight under a star-filled sky. Our spring provides some of the most exceptional water available on our planet. Spring 44 is off the grid, environmentally responsible and sustainable. 100% of our energy is produced by the sun and wind, and all of our botanical ingredients are sustainably farmed.
Accessible only by four-wheel drive, Spring 44 is located at an altitude of 9,044 feet in the Colorado Rocky Mountains, nestled in Buckhorn Canyon on the eastern slope of Pennock Pass. We're surrounded by 160,000 acres of Roosevelt National Forest and are privileged to have elk, deer, moose, bear, eagles, and ravens as our closest neighbors.
There are magnificent quartz-filled deposits surrounding Spring 44, and our water has been gracefully flowing through this filtration system for centuries. The vibrational benefits of quartz are believed to heal the physical, spiritual, and emotional body, since it does not contain any negative energy. Regardless of any belief in metaphysical properties, what we do know for a fact is that the water from Spring 44 is phenomenal and ethereal. We are blessed to have this as the basis for all of our spirits brands.
Our spirits are distilled exclusively with Spring 44 water and are handcrafted locally. Botanical ingredients used in our gin and flavored vodkas are grown with the water from the spring. This incredible symmetry is unique and unprecedented. The terroir of the water, coupled with the botanicals that it feeds, allows for a magical, miraculous, harmonious blend of spirit and essence. Our spirits are limited released in small batches, each bottle numbered and signed by Russ and Jeff. Spirits are the result of microclimate, technique, and water. Our spirits are distilled from Colorado corn, nurtured by fertile soil and long sunny days. Our sweet corn can be traced to the ancient Anasazi tribe and is a descendant from that sacred, succulent plant. Water is the main ingredient in vodka and gives it its unique identity. Water is what separates an ultra-premium spirit from the rest of the pack. We are just one of two micro-distillers in the world using a glass finishing still. Glass finishing stills eliminate the impurities imparted by traditional metal stills and make it easier to identify and draw off any remaining impurities as they appear.
In addition to the bears, we share our spring with colonies of bees. Bees demonstrate an example of a beautiful, harmonious existence and provide one of the most incredibly beneficial foods on our planet. Our bees produce an ultra-premium honey from the abundant wildflower meadows that surround our spring. Our company is passionate about the preservation of bees globally, since they are being threatened. Spring 44 will donate a portion of its proceeds to bee preservation. We hope to help raise awareness of this worldwide crisis and help restore our bee populations to their natural order.
At an altitude of 9,044 feet in the Colorado Rockies, magnificent quartz field deposits and extraordinary mountain spring water converge. But not for the first time. Spring 44 water has been filtered through this mountain of quartz for centuries. The benefits are real and tangible. The effect on distilling fine spirits is ethereal. We are passionate about the creation of the perfect vodka, Kovo, Colorado vodka. Through small batch handcrafting, utilizing 20-foot glass stills, we preserve the unique nature of the living water's terroir. Smooth, clean, and crisp as the northern Colorado Rockies from which it was born. There's a ponderosa pine that has enjoyed its life in the Colorado Rockies for over 1,000 years. So wise and sacred is this magnificent tree that the United States Geological Survey bestowed a name upon it, since they've been observing this tree for decades to provide a gauge for the health of the Roosevelt National Forest that surrounds it. The moniker they bestowed upon this incredibly beautiful ancient specimen, Old Solitaire. And thus, we've created Old Solitaire Gin. Old Solitaire has been drinking from the water of Spring 44 since it was a pine cone seedling. Perhaps that explains why it's the oldest tree, or living thing for that matter, at this altitude in North America. Blending our spring water with the essence of this majestic pine, along with a proprietary concoction of other locally harvested botanicals, has produced something quite extraordinary. The terroir is distinctive and alive. The decision to drink Old Solitaire Gin should not be taken lightly, for once you've treated yourself to this exquisite blend of spirit and botanical elixir, you'll never want to drink anything else. What's the buzz? What happens when ultra-premium quartz crystal vodka gets injected with ultra-premium wildflower honey? And what if the ultra-premium virgin spring water that was used to distill that vodka was the same water feeding the bees that created the honey? And what happens when all of this occurs at an altitude of 9,044 feet in the pristine wilderness of northern Colorado? What happens? An experience. Introducing bee venom, honey-injected vodka. Get stung.
Colonies of bees have been busy producing spectacular honey in Colorado for centuries. Our bees breathe clean, crisp, Rocky Mountain air, drink from our pristine, virgin spring, and pollinate our meadow wildflowers like columbine, Indian paintbrush, wild iris, wild rose, and daisy. We add this amazing honey to our other locally grown botanicals to produce something you'll find unique and extraordinary. Introducing Nectar Honey Gin. Our Nectar Gin creates the most balanced, beautiful martini to ever kiss your lips. The richness of the honey is subtle, allowing the spicy intensity of ginger and juniper to linger with a luscious, tangy finish.
We are proud to share our story with you and honored to extend the invitation to experience what we believe to be the highest quality spirit portfolio available in the market. Responsible, sustainable, harmonious.